Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting and impactful inventions in human history. But where did it all begin? And how did it grow into the technology we know today? Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be taking you through the fascinating journey of AI and how it has evolved over the years. Stay tuned. The idea of intelligent machines has been around for centuries, but AI, as we know it, started in the 1940s. Scientists like Alan Turing, often called the father of AI, laid the foundation with the question, can machines think? In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was born at a conference at Dartmouth College. Researchers believed they could create a machine that mimicked human intelligence. During this time, scientists developed basic AI programs. One of them, called the Logic Theorist, could solve mathematical problems, while another, ELIZA, simulated human conversation. These programs were groundbreaking, but AI still lacked true intelligence. It could only follow instructions written by humans. After the early excitement, progress slowed. AI research became expensive, and computers were not powerful enough to do much. This period, known as the AI winter, saw funding cut and interest fade. But researchers kept working, hoping for a breakthrough. In the 1990s, AI took a new direction with machine learning. Instead of programming rules, scientists taught computers to learn from data. One big moment came in 1997 when IBM's computer, Deep Blue, beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It showed that AI could outsmart humans in specific tasks. In the 2010s, AI reached new heights with deep learning. This technology uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. Deep learning helped AI excel at recognizing images, understanding speech, and even driving cars. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa became popular during this time. Today, AI is everywhere. It powers recommendations on Netflix, detects fraud in banks, and helps doctors diagnose diseases. AI tools like ChatGPT can even generate text and hold conversations, bringing us closer to machines that feel truly intelligent. But what's next? AI could revolutionize industries, from healthcare to education. It might even help us solve big problems like climate change. However, many people worry about AI replacing jobs or becoming too powerful. The future of AI will depend on how we use it responsibly. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, from simple programs to powerful technologies shaping our world. As it continues to evolve, one thing is clear. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in shaping the future of humanity. Please subscribe for more fascinating stories on histories and evolution of technologies. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.